Welcome to our automatic cat feeder. This automatic cat feeder food dispenser make feeding free for pets. Dietary dispenses from 1 to 10 portion per meal. Each portion is 24 milliliters, set up to 4 daily distribution. Simply pick up your portion sizes and unit dispenses dry meals. Get your precious pouch on a constant and dietary plan with the innovative automatic pet food dispenser from our pets. Advanced programming enables you to select up to 4 daily distribution times. Select an ideal helping for effective dietary care of. Never worry about over under feeding. Again, dispenses dry for cat food. This machine works well. Note that it been used a flexible dispensing mechanism to prevent jamming. Our pet know that pets give the very return they deserve to have. Those our pet provide prevents with everything they need to unique solution that are smart, innovative, are made with superior quality. This automatic cat feeder is specialized in designing and offering premium products. Pet need attention, so we focus on your unique needs of your pets. That makes your life easier and help your pet have a healthier life. This aim to help you save separation and provide you the best smart cat feeder, because we know sometimes just with your depressed scan the QR code on this automatic cat feeder scheduling meals, develop good behavior and eating habits. You can set the meal per day and a portion of dry food per meal depending on your pet need. This automatic cat feeder programming is user friendly and only needs to be set up once. This feeder delivered all we need in a food at the lowest price. I cannot be happier with the produce for the price paid. There were a few things that exactly clear on this product. We decided to make an investment on this automatic food dispenser for cat because the time we have been going to spilling his food everywhere we had for a couple of days now, and I never want to be back to on non-automatic food ball. In addition, the automatically food dispenses of dry food per meal depending on this automatic cat feeder programming is user friendly and only needs to be set up once. This automatic cat feeder is made for dry food only in order to prevent food jam. The pallet size should not exceed. Do not put your food outlet or tray to touch the router. Do not submerge the main unit in water. They will damage the electronic component. This time cat feeder requires type battery. I will take some adjust. All of the programming is done on the device bowl. We decided to make an investment on food dispenser for our cat. It's super easy to set up. Portion are super maintenance. Cat's food dispenser is made for dry food only. In order to prevent food jams, do not submerge the main within in water as well must be frequent for the pet feeder to work normally. This feeder is only suitable for pet dry food. This schedule for providing pets. You can develop a personalized meal plan for your pet to prevent your pet from overeating. You can call your pet to eat by recording your voice.